that you, Malay H. Mabiriizi, H1 during the month of January 2026 at various areas in Uganda, including Kampala and Wakiso districts, or thereabouts, via TikTok account at malay.mabiriizi, accessed through telecommunication platform of Airtel Uganda Limited, using SIM card number 0701881231, published an audio-visual news story wherein you stated that the Honorable Chief Justice Dr. Ebya Flavian, the Chief Justice of Uganda, is a conman, a fraudster, corrupt, a file grabber, and sold off his property to pay a bribe for his appointment. The accused person shall file submissions in support of his objections, and the state shall respond to the same. The matter is adjourned to 15th April 2025 for ruling on the objection.
Tuli muntu yenna avunaanibwa omusango alina eddembe okubeera nga alina munnamateeka oba amuwolereza okulabika nti alina obuyambi oba okumusobozesa okuwuza obulungi. So tulabye bye bamusomedde kosi bikyamunyo biri muwulidde birivumbuka mu gavumenti byasomye nga ne charge sheet yennyini oba eteeka yomunana tetunalirabako naye mwennyini tanakirabako naye kooti egamba nti bateeka obimusomera ye ateeka obimusomera abikkirize.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.